A place where you can change.
A place na walang on-judge sa look mo.
A place where everyone is a gym bro. Physical change na sigurado malanotice ng lahat. Before,
And after.
too skinny, too chubby, or broken-hearted lang. Huwag kang mag-alala. Open University Gym para sa'yo.
Sa halagang 500 pesos a month, meron ka nakalalang lihan.
Kaya what are you waiting for? Tara, mag-gym na.